Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasmin Terrell. So I totally forgot to film an intro with the makeup on, but I still wanted to say hey to you guys. So welcome to my channel and I hope you all enjoy the video.
Okay, so to begin, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to be using this neutral brown shade to put in my upper crease and to blend that in as a transition shade. Now I'll be applying this warm red shade, and I'm putting that directly into my crease and then blending it all over my lid. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm applying that all over my lid, and then starting from the inner corner, I'm going to take that all the way up and above my crease in order to give me maximum lid space for my cut crease. Now going back in with that warm red shade, I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner of my eyes to blend out that harsh line the concealer left, and to make sure that there is a flawless blend between the yellow I'm going to apply and the red shade. Now going in with this yellow eyeshadow, I'm going to be putting that on the rest of my eyelid. I'm going to be blending it from my inner corner to the middle of my eyelid and blending it in with the red eyeshadow that we applied earlier. Okay, here I am just taking a little bit more of that red shade and just blending it a little bit more to make sure there are no harsh lines between the yellow and the red. And now I'm just dusting off the fallout. Going back into the palette, I now am taking the teal shade and I'm just going to apply that to my bottom lash line. So now I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk into my waterline to make sure that the teal shade that we are going to put in the waterline is going to pop. Now I'm using the glitter glue by NYX and I'm going to apply that onto my bottom lash line, and I'm going to take the NYX glitter in teal and apply that on top. For my inner corner, I'm using the NYX Foil Play pigment in the color Pop Quiz. I'm just going to apply that with my finger. I decided to add a bold wing to this look, so I'm using my NYX Liquid Matte Liner for this. I also have another tutorial on how to apply wing liner and false eyelashes. Now that I'm finished with the eye look, I'm going to be applying my lip gloss. So first I'm going to line my lips with just a regular NYX brown pencil, and then I'm going to apply my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. And that is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.